that people noticed is a fireplace. I wanted that to be a focal point. It was actually an ugly red brick color, and it was actually really ugly, so I had to get rid of it. What I did was put custom quartz slabs around the actual existing fireplace. So now you can't even see any of the fireplace. The original one, it's all behind it. It's still functional, but it looks amazing now. So over here, we're looking at the guest bathroom. It was actually an old style shower, and I actually redid the entire shower. Made it kind of a little beach vibe, a little different. Wanted to make sure that's not like just ordinary. Just wanted it to be stand out for your guest, and also it could be an office or / in-law guest suite downstairs, which is a nice selling feature as well. We actually opened up, did a lot of recessed lights. I think we did almost 60 recessed lights in this house. So a lot of electrical work was done. The flooring was luxury vinyl. Kind of wanted like the beach kind of vibe since we're in Irvine, close to Newport. I wanted to make sure that, you know, it's like a homely, warm feel that everybody, as soon as they step in, I want everyone to fall in love with this place. Yeah, so over here there was a big wall. I actually removed the wall and made it all open concept, and basically that creates living, dining, and family room all in one place to make sure that they, you know, everyone is not separated by walls. And you know, the newer homes now have open concept, so we wanted to make that same feel in this home as well. So we're here in the kitchen. It was actually really old, 1980, 1990, you know, the old granite tops, brown kitchen cabinets, old school appliances. You know, I wanted to make it open, you know, white, modern, little bit of gold and tan touch to this house. So I incorporated little bronze knobs, little bit of touch of the bronze sink, deep dish sink, which people love, you know, with their dishes, to hide their dishes, of course, especially since it's all open. Kitchen, added these custom shelving made out of oak to match the floors, and of course brand new appliances. That was, you know, you're selling a fully turnkey house. You want to make sure everything's brand new and everything's turnkey, and you want people to fall in love when they first walk in that door, and that's what I do best.